Here's something that's turning heads on Wall Street and in the space industry. Rocket Lab just delivered one of its strongest quarters ever, and investors are paying attention. The company reported first quarter revenue of more than $200 million, marking a massive 63% jump compared to the same time last year. What surprised analysts even more is that Rocket Lab beat market expectations by a wide margin. Experts were expecting around $189 million, but the company comfortably crossed that number. And while Rocket Lab is still operating at a loss, the situation is improving fast. The company posted a net loss of $45 million, significantly better than the $60 million loss it reported a year ago. That's a strong sign the business is moving closer toward profitability. CEO Peter Beck called it an exceptional quarter, saying Rocket Lab is already deeply involved in some of the most important space programs of this generation, and judging by the numbers, investors seem to agree. The company's future pipeline is also exploding. Rocket Lab now has a backlog worth $2.2 billion, which means signed contracts and future work are stacking up rapidly. Even more impressive, the company says it has already sold more launches in the first quarter of 2026 than it did during all of 2025. Rocket Lab secured 31 new contracts for its Electron and HASTE launch vehicles, along with 5 additional deals for its upcoming Neutron rocket. The company even revealed that it closed the biggest launch agreement in its history through a bulk purchase deal from an undisclosed customer. And speaking of Neutron, Rocket Lab confirmed the medium-lift rocket is still on track for its first launch later this year. If successful, Neutron could become a serious competitor in the growing commercial launch market, currently dominated by larger players like SpaceX. But Rocket Lab isn't stopping at rockets. The company also announced major defense and technology partnerships. Alongside Raytheon, Rocket Lab was selected to help demonstrate advanced systems for the U.S. Space Force's Space-Based Interceptor program, part of President Donald Trump's Golden Dome for America defense initiative. At the same time, defense company Anduril awarded Rocket Lab a $30 million contract to carry out hypersonic test flights using its HASTE vehicle. That puts Rocket Lab right in the middle of the fast-growing military space and hypersonic technology race. The company is also expanding globally through acquisitions. Rocket Lab completed its purchase of Mynaric AG, a laser communications company based in Europe, and signed a deal to acquire space robotics firm Motive Space Systems. According to the company, these moves will strengthen its robotics capabilities and give Rocket Lab its first major European presence. Looking ahead, Rocket Lab expects second quarter revenue between $225 and $240 million, once again above analyst expectations. After the announcement, Rocket Lab shares jumped nearly 7% in after-hours trading, briefly touching $84. With growing contracts, military partnerships, ambitious rocket plans, and expanding technology capabilities, Rocket Lab is quickly evolving from a small launch company into one of the biggest rising players in the global space industry.